I spend a lot of time looking at search engine results, and one thing I've learned is that keywords are a gold mine for future content. Sure, I talk about which keywords my clients are ranking for, but I also look for keywords that they could rank for. One way to do this is to create content with those keywords as inspiration. I hear all the time it's hard to brainstorm for content, and it is. But using SEO results will help to get ideas flowing on topics that your visitors are already searching for. You can also plug keywords into an AI platform to generate ideas. Let's look at a couple of examples. For one CPA firm client, we found a keyword result about intercompany balances. We did a little research and found that this was a good topic for not-for-profit leaders and their finance directors. It made sense to have our client write about this topic on their blog, but also talk about it with their clients. For another client offering Spanish language classes, we found several keyword results about Spanish classes for adults. So we made sure that the website content and social posts discussed adult learning options and benefits. It's like solving a puzzle when you can take search results and develop the content that visitors want. Search engines are getting smarter to carefully match up what users are looking for. It makes sense to build your content strategy around SEO as well as your business goals. Here's one more tip. Once you have published your new content and promoted it on social pages, see if you're ranking better for that keyword or phrase. It's proof to your subject matter experts that content creation is also lead generation. Add a contact form or link on that blog post and use it for actual leads. If you have questions about other ways to use SEO for content generation, contact me at Ngenuity.